David Farnsworth here with Idaho Fabrication, or I-fab.us. Recreated this hard to find camshaft tool for the mini Duramax. I'm going to switch back around to it and show it set up. So I'm going to quickly set this up on that cylinder head. Okay, so as I set this up, I typically will just put all of these bolts in super loose, and then I will tighten this cam lock in place by hand. That's just a 6mm screw, so I don't like to over tighten those. I almost do it hand tight and maybe just a titch over, snug it up a little bit more. And then once all that's in place and these are tight, then I will go ahead and tighten up the rest of these bolts. And there may actually be a torque spec on those as well, but these are a little bit bigger bolts and you could snug up a little bit more. Then we have this guy. This just, I guess before I'll show you, that just locks all of your timing in place. You've got these arrows that line up with the gears. And then this guy slips into place, and that aligns your tone wheel or reluctor gear, whatever you want to call it. Anyhow, we've recreated this in hopes of helping a bunch of people out because that tool's just been almost impossible to find. We've compared it to the OEM tool and have access to one of those to make sure that it's in good shape. Obviously, you guys are still responsible for making sure you're getting that timing correct and in the right position, but this should help out a lot. You can order it off of our website, i-fab.us. And again, this is the camshaft tool, the previously EN-52445, now IF-52445. We also sell the pin crank tool. I don't have one out here with me, but that holds the crank in place, and that's available at our website as well. Or you can call us directly at our mechanic shop. I also own Farnsworth Auto Repair, and that number is 208-557-3505. Hey, we sure appreciate your support, and we also hope this helps you guys out as well. Thank you.